fish swimming in beautiful, clean, crystal clear water. I don't have a fish, I have a little duck. So there's my little duckling, I hope you can see, bobbing about. Oh, here we go, can you see? Bobbing about in lovely fresh water. So chances are the fish is going to live a normal, healthy, normal lifespan for the fish or the goldfish or the duck. Okay, so bear with me. But what happens if that water isn't clean? What happens if we start polluting it? Well, this is what's going to happen. You know, we can add in some junk into the water. So what's going to happen? So here's a cracker, all right? So we're adding some bits of cracker into the goldfish bowl, all right? What's going to happen to the fish? How healthy do you think it might be? What about if we add in some Coke? This is coffee. We start pouring in some coffee. Most people have a coffee at least once a day. And what other kinds of foods? Okay, so have a little bit of burger. All right, so very common. So what do you think would be happening to the fish or the duck swimming about in this kind of environment right now? Oh, look at that. And then we can add in other things as well. I mean, how about some potato chips? So these are some like little snacky bits of food here. Some bread foods, so croissant, little tarts, something like that. In it goes. So what do you think is going to be happening? Already I can see that my little duck is on its side there. So it starts bobbing about. Add a little bit of biscuit. There we go. So what is going to happen is already on its side, poor little thing. Let me see if I can just pop him back up again. See if we can bob about in there. All right. And how about, Maltesers, a lighter way to enjoy chocolate. Let's add a few of those in. So what is going to be happening to the environment? It's already on its side again. So it's not feeling too well. And so then it goes to get some medical intervention. So maybe, maybe get a bit of a headache, fogginess. So we can maybe add in paracetamol for its head. Give that a nice little mix. Is that helping it? Oh gosh, it's still a bit on its head. It's still a bit sort of upside down. It's not really bobbing about. It's not looking too good at all. So although we can add some medical intervention, it's not really going to help the duckling or the fish come back. So what would be the solution? What would we need to do to restore the health back for the fish? Well, of course, we need to get rid of the toxicity. We need to replace all of this, get rid of all that, start cleaning the water. So we need to get rid of the toxicity and put in some new nutrients, start cleaning out the system. So once we start cleaning out the system, it's going to bring the duckling or the fish back to health. And that's where juicing comes in. So juicing is like just completely cleaning, flushing out the toxins and replacing it with essential nutrients.